guys, welcome to Style Walls. I am Preet. Today I am going to show you how to find the center point of the round board. A lot of people struggle in this. So I bought a 3 easy trick for you. Let's begin. First I took a 12-inch round MDF board. It is 2.5 mm thick. This type of board is very good for beginners because it is lightweight and easy to work with. After that I took an old newspaper and placed it under the board. Then using a marker, I carefully traced the shape of the board onto the newspaper. I made sure to trace it nicely and completely around the edges. Once tracing was done, I used a pair of scissors to cut the newspaper along the line I had drawn. It's very important to cut neatly and sharply, so later everything fits perfectly without any gaps. Next I folded the cutout paper exactly in half, so it looked like a half circle. After folding, I gently shaped the paper into a cone. I adjusted it carefully so that the cone looked nice and even from all sides. When the cone shape was ready, I placed it on the side of the board to check the fitting. I made sure it sat properly on the board without moving. The paper now covered about 1/4 of the board area. Finally, I took a pencil and lightly marked the center point of the board. This mark will be help in next steps to keep everything balanced and neat. First I took a long ruler and placed it along one side of the board. I drew a straight line, and once it was done, I immediately marked the center point of that line. Then I moved the ruler to the next side of the board. Draw another straight line and again mark the center point of that line. After marking both center points, I use the ruler to draw a straight line connecting them. The point where the lines meet is the exact center of the board. It's a very easy and accurate method for beginners. I took the same cone I made earlier. Without opening it, I made a small cut at the tip of the cone. Then I opened the paper and placed it on the round board, making sure it's the right place. After that, I marked the center point where the small cut is on the tip of the cone. This way I can find the exact center of the board. If you found our video helpful, so please like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.